Okay guys, so I will explain about the crow pose. Crow pose is one of the arm balancing posture. Number one, we need to know what part of our body is included in that. So your arms, your wrist, your shoulder, your core will be engaged in that posture. So this posture can be have few technique. Number one, we need to understand the distance in between your arms. So distance, actually we prefer the distance should be as per the shoulder level, and then palm should be facing like that. You should be spread the fingers so that you can be easily and equally distribute your body weight. Second thing, sometimes during the practice if your palm a little bit move out, so it is also adjustable, because everyone can be have the different body structure. अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत compression feel हो, if you feel some compression under your arm, your forearm, your elbow, so you may little bit turn around, थोड़ा बहुत आप उसे बाहर भी निकाल सकते हो. उसके बाद once you fix your arms, you have to become on the toe, heel up, bend your elbow. After you bend your elbow, your knee should be up from the elbow. ऐसे मत निकालिए, knee should be up from the elbow. उसके बाद after that you have to little lean your upper body to the front side. upper body को आपको lean करना है सामने की तरफ like that, इस तरीके से. shoulder shouldn't be shrink, shoulder को shrink मत कीजिए. shoulder should be expand and away from the ear like that. neck shouldn't be this, neck should be lengthening, neck बिल्कुल सीधी रहनी चाहिए. once you lean, so automatically then your lower body means your leg will be lift up. Now the question is, if someone they are not able to lift the both legs together, what should we do? So the step one, you can be simply stay here so that you can build up the strength in your arms. आप अपने हाथों की शक्ति को बढ़ाइए, but other position will be remain same. Step two, जब आप यहाँ पर comfortable हो जाए, you are able to hold for a long time, you can be try to lift one leg, and when you are able to hold with the one leg, then उसके बाद after that you can be try with both legs together. Again, if someone still struggling, they are in between, balance नहीं बन पा रहा है या strength नहीं बन पा रही, तो उस केस में you can use the block like that. आप block अपने सामने रखिए and use your head or forehead on the block, and same practice, same technique like this. One leg up, both legs up. Here. Thank you.